Torrential slide especially is a mid-position digital money at present estimated at $9.33 that has a place with the class of mineable coins with a market capitalization of $3.310 versus the truly thought. Over the essentially past truly couple of years, digital forms of money, including torrential slide, laid out a truly impressive traction in the worldwide monetary world and truly are presently being exchanged comparable to customary resources like stocks, wares, and unfamiliar monetary forms, forex, in a kind of enormous way. A few institutional financial backers even essentially consider crypto as a productive supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy in a quite huge way. Retail financial backers and merchants in every way that really matters are keen on digital currencies extremely, for example, Avax in light of the fact that this generally is ostensibly the most open monetary market where various resources sort of have the very potential for 100x to 1000x increases in a moderately especially brief timeframe, or so they sort of thought. These profits for the most part are somewhat out of reach in especially different business sectors, which by and large is the justification for why most truly moderate financial backers sort of are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital currencies like torrential slide. While the groundbreaking ones especially commit a huge piece of their money to this quickly creating resource class in an unobtrusive manner. At this truly specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of torrential slide to the level at $9.33, where it right now really sits in a for the most part large manner. As currently referenced, Avax sort of is a mid-position cryptographic money since it by and by possesses the 24th spot in worldwide digital currency rankings, the by and large metric that's still up in the air, by duplicating the truly current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. On account of torrential slide, the market capitalization fundamentally remains at $3.310 The significance of this boundary will for the most part be truly made sense of later in an unpretentious manner. Our cost expectation calculation really is planned in genuinely such a manner that it ceaselessly screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to fundamentally give our endorsers the most reliable data on the kind of present status of the market and future possibilities, permits the beneficiaries to satisfactorily evaluate the condition of their portfolio and truly choose whether or not it especially needs to generally be reconfigured in an unobtrusive manner. Our calculation additionally gives sort of extraordinary consideration to verifiable information, which fundamentally is genuinely imperative for the very right assessment of both truly current and expected market structure and the appraisal of its truly present and future course. Beneath you will find key portions of this verifiable information, so you also could in every way that really matters have a comprehension of where the torrential slide market for the most part is going in an unobtrusive manner. Yesterday, on October 16, Avax in every way that really matters was esteemed at $9.17 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings. Explicitly recall that digital forms of money in a real sense are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m. in an unobtrusive manner. The cost change, rate-wise, over the said period really added up to 1.63% in a genuinely significant manner. 7 days prior, on October 10, torrential slide really was exchanged at $9.54 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that near its current position. On September 17, which was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged Avax at $9.39, the cost level that explicitly is at the distance of 0.59% from where it presently generally stands. The cost of Avax and the readings of CVIX are not by any means the only measurements that we use while drawing the cost forecasts, or so they essentially thought. Market capitalization sort of is another significant genuinely metric that for the most part assists traders with basically deciding the ubiquity of the digital money being referred to, as well as its future possibilities, showing how on September 17, which by and large was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged Avax at $9.39. The cost level that in a real sense is at the distance of 0.59% from where it at present stands, or so they fundamentally thought. It's likewise used to sort of survey the offer that torrential slide especially holds inside the sort of whole digital money market, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. The equation for the computation of market capitalization generally is somewhat basic. The circling supply of the cash being referred to generally is increased by its by and large current cost, which generally is very critical. As of the hour of compassing, the market capitalization of Avax for the most part remains at $3.310,116,010, enough to name it the 24th biggest coin on the digital currency market in a kind of huge manner. Yesterday, on October 16, the market capitalization of torrential slide commonly remained at $3,253,969,853. 7 days prior, on October 10, the capitalization of Avax sort of was $3,386,905,558, which basically is genuinely critical. A month prior, on September 17, how much beautiful capital streaming around this especially specific market in a real sense added up to $3,320,807,507, showing his currently referenced. Avax especially is a mid-positioned cryptographic money since it as of now possesses the 24th spot in worldwide digital money rankings, the all things considered metric that not entirely settled by duplicating the in every way that really matters current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource in an unobtrusive manner. Most digital money financial backers generally stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with a specific cryptographic money and its capacity to sort of endure disturbances, which sort of are the truly normal event on this profoundly unpredictable market. Which shows that decently retail financial backers and brokers really are by and large keen on digital currencies, especially, for example, Avax, on the grounds that this basically is ostensibly the most open monetary market, where various resources certainly have the potential for 100x to 1000x increases in a moderately genuinely brief timeframe. The really greatest stockpile of torrential slides certainly is 720,000,000 Avax. The truly all-out supply of Avax at present essentially remains at 432,150,170 coins in an unobtrusive manner. The flowing inventory of the cryptographic money under audit most certainly is 354,773,990 Avax, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. This torrential slide cost expectation wouldn't sort of be essentially finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiries, since it's the sort of measurement utilized by practically all cryptographic money merchants to generally affirm the strength of the pattern and the suitability of a market move in a very significant manner. For example, assuming that the breakout to the potential gain explicitly is happening on the rear of the exceptionally low exchanging volume, there especially is a high likelihood that this move most certainly is impractical and would bring about a bullish snare, or so they sort of thought. Hence, it means a lot to sort of break down the past and the in every way that really matters current exchanging volume of Avax request to sort of comprehend whether this market has a hidden strength, showing how the cost change, rate-wise, over the said period in a real sense, added up to 1.63% in a quite huge manner. Over the beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume on the torrential slide market truly was enlisted at $131,247,717, which fundamentally is genuinely huge.